All right, let's be honest. One of the hardest things to do when it comes to dropshipping is finding the right product to sell. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to go out there and find untapped viral TikTok product, just like I did with my product that did over $1.7 million just last year. So that being said, let's jump right in. So before you even try to find a product, you need to understand why people buy products first. And the main reasons are: 1, they need to avoid pain or loss, and 2, they need to gain pleasure. The reason you need to know this is because your product has to fill one of those needs. Next step is you need to understand what type of products go viral on TikTok. From my experience, the product that go viral and bringing in sales have the following characteristics. The first one is it's a new product that no one has ever seen, and the second one is the product is an improved or cooler version of a product that already exists. It's very difficult, if not impossible, to go viral on TikTok by just trying to promote something that others have already been selling. Now that you know what to look for, let's talk about how to look for them. When you're looking for a product, you always need to use the reasoning people buy and the characteristics of a TikTok viral product. So here's an example. First, go to AliExpress or Alibaba. Then let's say we're using the first reasoning people buy, which is the need to avoid pain or loss. So instead of searching for a product, we search for the pain point. For an example, let's just go ahead and take back pain. There's endless other options like joint pain, hip pain, headaches, sleep issues. The list goes on, but you just have to pick one and go for it. So what you want to do once you get on AliExpress is obviously go ahead and search the pain point. In this case, we're going to use back pain. And what you want is to find a product that's pretty unique that you have not seen being promoted as much on their internet, so they can be the first person to go viral or potentially be the only one to sell it. So once you get here, you're going to go ahead and scroll until you find something that catches your attention. So we're just going to keep scrolling to see if there's anything interesting. What most people would do is they will go for a product like this where everyone is pretty much selling at the same time, and that's going to be very hard to go viral with on TikTok because there's just so many people doing the same thing. So what you want is to find something that's very unique. So I'm just going to keep scrolling to find something that's pretty unique. You might have to go to multiple different pages before you can find something solid. So we're just going to keep scrolling until we see something that's pretty unique. Okay, this one looks interesting. Okay, I haven't seen a product like this before, or at least it's a different version of the other product that's going really viral. So this is the exact way you should be approaching products, where you find a product that's a completely different version of a product that's already working, or a product that you have not seen anywhere on the internet before. That way you'll have a much higher chance of going viral with that product. So if you need a more detailed video on what to do after finding the product, you want to go ahead and check out this videos. And with that being said, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss a video every single week. That being said, I'll see you in the next one.